Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to successfully hatch eggs at home. First, gather fertile eggs, ensuring they are clean and free of cracks. Next, thoroughly clean and sanitize your incubator. Position it on a level, sturdy surface, avoiding direct sunlight or drafts. Finally, preheat your incubator for at least 24 hours to ensure stable temperature and humidity levels before placing any eggs inside. This preparation is crucial for a successful hatch. Maintaining the correct environment is vital for embryo development. For most poultry, aim for a steady temperature of 99.5 degrees Fahrenheit. Humidity should be kept between 50 and 55% during the first 18 days. Always use a calibrated thermometer and hygrometer to ensure accuracy. Remember to regularly add warm water to your incubator's reservoirs to maintain these critical humidity levels, checking every 1 to 2 days. Turning your eggs is essential to prevent the embryo from sticking to the shell membrane. If turning manually, rotate them at least 3 to 5 times a day, marking them to keep track. Around day 7 and day 14, gently candle the eggs in a darkened room. This allows you to observe the embryo's development and identify any infertile or non-viable eggs, which should be removed to protect the healthy ones. Around day 18, begin lockdown. Stop turning the eggs and increase the humidity to 65 to 75%. Do not open the incubator during this final period, as stable humidity is crucial for hatching. Once chicks hatch and dry, typically within 24 to 48 hours, move them to a preheated brooder. The brooder should be around 90 to 95 degrees Fahrenheit for their first week, decreasing by 5 degrees each subsequent week.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.